Welcome to Dekh News. As much as the content on TikTok is fun and engaging, its features and ways to create new videos are also beer and skittles. One such feature is the stitch feature that helps user to create videos with other people, similar to the quote tweet feature on Twitter. This feature allows users to combine their videos with other people and post them on their accounts. Being a popular feature, Stitch is used by TikTokers to reply to people as well. Stitch is a famous feature that the platform offers to users to react to videos, where they take the key content of the video to create a video in response to the original one. While a few might be full of wit, humor and sarcasm, others are just plain and simple replies intended for a particular user's video. The feature being a shortcut tool allows users to snip the selected part of the video to use as their opening clip of the video. It gives user a chance to interact with various other content creators. That's all for this video. Keep watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Dekh News.